Samantala, si Kapitan Bimbo Ayunan Pasawiran na isang kapitan ng barangay sa Cotabato ang nagpreskon noong October 2023 at nagsabing tataniman siya ng druga at ililigpit silang tatlo na magkakapatid ng mga PNP Cotabato. Naalarma si Senator Bato de la Rosa kaya't nagpatawag siya ng hearing sa Senado dahil tatlo ang namatay sa shooting incident at isa sa kaanak ni Kapitan ang nasawi.
Of the firearms of these policemen to determine their involvement in the shooting or shootout. It is also humbly argued, Mr. Chair, that there is a need to look into the claims of Barangay Chairman Bimbo Ayunan Pasawiran that he has contacts in all levels of the PNP from whom he obtained the information regarding the purported search warrants against him and his brothers. Assuming such claims are true, then it only shows that there is a serious breach in confidentiality within the PNP Cotabato City which must be addressed. Otherwise, criminals will be forewarned of the service of such warrants. It might be worth considering that limiting the duly sanctioned election activities in the daytime could reduce election-related violence, especially in areas with a bad history of violence. By doing so, persons with criminal intent could not take advantage of the dark to work their crimes. It might also be sensible, Mr. Chair, to look into the statement of Barangay Chairman Bimbo Ayunan Pasawiran regarding being escorted by armed escorts during the election campaign period. As far as I can remember, during the election period, no person is allowed to bear or carry firearms in public places unless authorized in writing by the Commission on Elections. Personally, I am hopeful that the accusations of Barangay Chairman Bimbo Ayunan Pasawiran against the PNP Cotabato City are not true. But considering their implications to the safety, security, peace and order of the city, I am constrained to raise the matter to the Honorable Committee on Public Order and Dangerous Drugs, a forum that would not be suspected of bias and prejudice. I believe that by bringing the matter to this honorable committee, the PNP Cotabato City will be given a chance to exonerate itself of any wrongdoing and regain the trust and confidence of the Cotabateños, or at the very least, cleanse its ranks of unworthy personnel. It is also disturbing, Mr. Chair, to know that there was an allegation coming from Chairman Bimbo Ayunan Pasawiran that there is a planned bypass operations against them. Kung totoo man ito, saan po nanggagaling yung takot na magkakaroon ng bypass at kung kanino nanggagaling yung information?
And three brothers, ilalans and three search warrants against Cap Bimbo. Options of the police according to him. Tataniman ako drugs at gumagawa ng solusyon ay ang authority para mapatay ako.
Recording in progress.
These are very serious allegations. You are imputing to the police. So, kung totoo ito sinasabi mo, or as you said, bugso ng damdamin mo yun, nagalit kayo dahil namatayan kayo. Can you please, for the record, clarify to this committee kung itong lahat ng pinagsasabi mo ay paninindigan mo or binabawi mo or what? Anong status ngayon dito ng pinagsasabi mo? Because this is the meat of our investigation. Dahil kung sabihin mong totoo ito, hindi ako hinto sa kakaimbestigahan ng mga pulis.
Yes, sir.
Dahil ayaw ko talaga na ang pulis may involved sa kalukuhan. Pero kung sabihin mo na nagalit ka lang or what, at binabawi mo din, for the record, tell this committee para magawa natin ng kaukulang action.
Yung nasabi ko po is dala lang po yun ng aming sama ng loob, sir, sa dami po ng naririnig namin na balibalita lang. So hindi ko po napigilan yung sarili ko. Hindi ko po napigilan yung sarili ko maglabas ng aking ninanaing po, sir.
You have your lawyer, ha? You can ask your lawyer for advice, legal advice sa mga sinasabi mo dito. So, ibig mo sabihin, binabawi mo yung sinabi mo doon sa presko na yon?
Parang ganun na po.
Hindi yung parang ganun na. You must be klaruhin mo yung sinasabi mo.
Opo, sir.
For the record, nire-record na dito.
Opo, sir.
So hindi totoo yung sinasabi mo na ang pulis ay tataniman ka ng droga.
Opo, sir.
Hindi siya totoo yung sinasabi mo na yung pulis ay inuutosan ng nakakataas na i-raid kayo para mapatay kayo. Hindi yun totoo.
Opo, sir. Hindi.
Tapos yung sinasabi mo na yung results ng forensic examination, forensic investigation ay hindi totoo.
Ibang usapan na po yung regarding po sa parapin test po.
So, parapin test, hindi mo win-withdraw.
Hindi po yung parapin test po. Yung sa parapin test po, is nagugulat po kami. Kasi nandun kami sa shooting incident. Kitang-kita namin si Mamalapat nandun sa shooting incident at nakatutok yung baril nila sa amin kasama si Boyong. Bakit naging negative po sila sa parapin test? Dalawang mata namin. Hindi lang po ako, si Cap Idris, si Cap Liling, si Cap Melissa, pati yung mga pamilya namin na nandun, pati yung wounded na witness namin, nakita nila na si Mamalapat po, si Boyong is nandun at nakatutok yung kanilang baril. Kita-kita po yung kanilang pagbaril sa amin po.
Okay, ikot kita dyan.
Opo.
Nakatutok ang baril.
Opo.
Nakita mo.
Opo.
Pero hindi mo nakita na pumutok. Klaro
Si
natin,
Boyong,
pumutok
sir,
o hindi?
nakita ko yung pagputok nila.
Boyong, nakita mo, pumutok si Boyong.
Pati yung si Mamalapat po, sir.
Pumutok rin si Mamalapat.
Opo, sir.
Kung pumutok si Mamalapat, baka ibang baril ang ginamit.
Hindi ko alam. Basta, ang nakikita ko, naimimim yung dala niya, Berita, kasi may ilaw pa, sir, yung time ng pagbabarilin nila kami. Nung mabilis na yung putok nila, burst na, sir, pinatay po nila yung ilaw.
Okay, so klaruhin natin.
Opo.
All other allegations na sinabi mo doon sa press con, binabawi mo.
Opo, sir.
Dala lang yung nabukso ng
Opo.
damdamin, except
Dun sa-
yung akusasyon mo tungkol dito sa
Parapin.
results ng crime lab investigation, yung
Opo, sir.
parapin test.
Opo, sir.
Okay, sige. Balikan kita. Crime lab, can you explain?
Sir, good morning again. The result of the paraffin tests are all negative for the persons, 12 persons. Sir, even though if the person fired a gun, it will give a negative result because of several factors. Number one, for example, if you wear a gloves, of course the gunpowder residue will not embed the gunpowder nitrates on your hand. So that's why it will give you a negative result. Number two, the wind velocity. If the wind is strong enough that it will not embed to your hand, of course, the paraffin gas will give negative result. Second, the humidity. And third, the barrel of the gun. It is much more farther from your hand. The gunpowder residue will not land to your dorsal portion of your hand. And if you fire a gun to a horizontal against vertical, most probably the vertical will give you a positive, while the horizontal will give you a negative result. That are those factors, Your Honor.
Thank you for that explanation. Nakuha mo, Barangay Kapitan, sabi ng crime lab, I'll rephrase ang sinasabi ng crime lab, yung sinasabi nila na negative for paraffin test, hindi yan ibig sabihin na hindi siya pumutok ng baril. Dahil may mga factors na pwede mangyari. Hindi mo pa sinabi yung isang factor na matanggal yan kapag mayroon kang ihugas na, ihugas at tanggal sa kamay mo. After ka pumutok, maghugas ka ng suka, ano ba yung mga style na yan? Sige nga.
Your Honor, I will negate that claim. It is because suka is an acetic acid which is insoluble doon sa, hindi niya madidissolve ang gunpowder residue.
Hindi ma-dissolve.
Yes, Your Honor.
Pero matanggal. Pwede matanggal kung...
As a chemist, Your Honor, because I am a chemist by profession,
Okay.
and the nitrates will not dissolve, the acetic acid will not dissolve
Thank you.
gunpowder nitrates.
Thank you for that explanation.
For the record, talagang halos lahat ng suspect that were apprehended, nag-negative talaga. Wala ni isa. Pati doon sa ballistics, walang nag-positive, walang nag-match. Parang ang hirap pa no, Mr. Chair, kasi
You're-
kung if they were apprehended on site on that situation, so parang saan ang galing yung ginamit na baril at sino yung mga pumutok? Siniklaim na ito ng kapitan, nakita ito si Master Sergeant na nandun din po. Can you explain?
Thank you, Senator JB. Can you
Your
respond?
permission, Your Honor.
Yeah,
Ballistic examination is different from paraffin test, Your Honor.
Yeah, we know that.
The paraffin test-
Makakasabi niyo na
But
kasi
sir-
negative lahat eh. Wala
Yes.
rin nag-match. So,
Yes, sir.
we just want for the record, because of the incident, na lahat ng nahuli niyo, lahat negative sa paraffin, pati sa ballistic, wala nag-match. So,
Your Honor, the firearms which we have examined did not match to those fired cartridges that were recovered at the crime scene. It means hindi po nagamit yung mga baril doon.
ibig sabihin, yung mga nagamit po doon sa mga napaslang, ibang baril ang nagamit at iba rin po yung mga pumutok. Dahil yung mga suspect, negative lahat. Yung mga baril, wala hong nag-match doon sa inyong ballistics.
Probably, Your Honor.
Narinig yung explanation ng PNP, di ba?
Opo, sir.
It doesn't mean na negative siya sa powder burns ay hindi siya pumutok ng baril. Maraming factors
Opo.
na sinasabi niya.
Opo.
So, for the record, Crime Lab, did anybody influence you to make the results negative? For the record.
Thank you for the question, Your Honor.
Yeah.
Nobody will dictate the result of our examination, Your Honor. Particularly, and anyone cannot dictate us because we are a man of science.
Ito para sa lahat ito, ha? I've been the chief PNP. Lahat sigurong mga desisyon, prangkahan lang tayo dito. Including Rias, pwede ko makashare na aking sentimento at pwede akong pakinggan ng Rias pagdating sa decision making nila kung sino i-dismiss o hindi. Pwede ko ma-influence yung si IDJ. Sabihan ko na si IDJ, tingnan nyo kung paano yan, alam na nyo. Ha? Pwede. Pero pagdating sa crime lab, ako honest, swear to God, swear to Allah, sasabihan ka talaga ng crime lab na, sir, that is against our professional conduct. Hindi talaga yan pwedeng baguhin. At kami naman, nakakataas sa kanila sa crime lab, never din kami mag-attempt talaga kausapin silang baguhin yung kanilang results ng kanilang ginagawang investigasyon dahil kung ikakasira yan ng crime lab, ikakasira yan na buong PNP. Di ba? So nobody talaga kahit na kapatid ko magpa-drug test dyan, tapos positive, sa halimbawa, positive kapatid ko. Sabihan ka ng crime lab, sir, wala kami magawa dyan. Hindi ko talaga pwedeng gawing negative ito. Sa totoo lang, ha, that's my honest declaration to everyone listening here. Dahil nga, kung meron mang the last institution ng PNP na pwedeng babalasubasin ng PNP leadership is the crime lab. That I can tell you straight in the eye. Never mong madidilute ang result ng crime lab. Aside from the professionalism of the people in the crime lab, science-based talaga yan sila. Hindi yan po pwedeng influence-based, kundi science-based talaga yan kanilang findings. So, kung magduda kayo, normal yan. Na magduda kayo, lalo na ikaw, nakita mo, talaga, napuputok siya. Pero sabi nga ng crime lab, it doesn't mean na pag negative siya, hindi rin siya puputok. At alam ko, mayroong mga Supreme Court ruling dyan. Hindi ko na lang basahin dito. Pero alam ko may mga Supreme Court ruling dyan. So, as far as your discontentment, dissatisfaction with the results of crime lab, with that explanation, With that explanation coming from Crime Lab, ano ngayon masasabi mo? Nagdududa ka pa rin sa Crime Lab?
O kaya nagdududat po talaga kami bakit po sila nag-negative.
Okay nga. Wala na tayong problema dyan. Nasa korte na yan. Nakapile na kayo, di ba? Pero explanation nga ng Crime Lab, kahit na maghugas ka ng suka, hindi madidissolve yung nitrate na nakabaon dyan sa mga skin mo. Much more kung tubig lang ang hinugas, tubig at sabon. Hindi talaga matanggal yan. Kaya nga, anyway, you fight that in the court of law, yung allegation ninyo. Pero science-based itong sinasabi ng forensic expert natin na ganun talaga. Hindi talaga matanggal daw yun kahit na maghugas ka. Am I correct?
Yes, Your Honor, that is correct, Your Honor.
Maghugas ka ng tubig at saka sabon, hindi pa rin matanggal yung nitrate dyan sa katawan mo?
Actually, Your Honor, when you use detergent or soap, the possibility na mag-positive ka dahil may oxidizers po yon.
Okay.
Pero kung wala, Your Honor, yung sabon, lang, suka, hindi, sir. Hindi talaga,
mga meat
sir.
na lang yun ng mga lumang pulis.
Yes,
yung
Your
suka
Honor.
na yan.
Yes,
mga
Your
meat
Honor.
na lang yan. So,
Sir,
yes, go ahead.
dagdag ko lang doon po sa testimony ng aming witness, sir. Naghugas po sila ng sabon at saka alcohol po.
Alcohol.
Bago sila nagparapin test.
Alcohol.
Opo.
It will not change kung talagang gunpowder yun, sir. At saka oxidizers man.
So, ulitin ko. Aside doon sa pagdududa nyo sa forensics, yung particularly paraffin test, all other allegation na sinabi nyo doon sa preskon mo is binabawi mo.
Opo, sir. Dala lang po ng bugso ng damdamin po ng pamilya namin. Especially
Okay.
po kay Kap Idris po.
So thank you for that. Thank you for that. Salamat. So kaya tayo nag-imbestiga dito dahil sa allegation mo. Ngayon na binabawi mo yung allegation mo, there is nothing more to investigate. It follows that there is nothing more to investigate. Binabawi mo yung allegation mo.